Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Brittany Michelle, and in today's video I cannot wait to share with you how I achieved this super natural virgin twist protective style. I can't wait to share with you how I achieved it. Right now, this is my favorite style. If you've been tuning into my videos, then you know how much I absolutely love styles that are just effortless and just look 100% natural. I'm so excited to show you how I achieve this look so that you too can achieve it at home. It's perfect for the summer. So if you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in yet again. If you are not familiar with this channel, I am a licensed beauty professional. Here on this channel, you'll get all things textured hair care, some lifestyle, and fitness. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So, like I was saying in the beginning of this video, listen, the mindset for hairstyles is just effortless, natural beauty. So for this style, I used 100% virgin hair. I used Glam Coil from BM Extensions. I'll be sure to leave it in the description box below. So to achieve this look, you're going to want at least 2 bundles of hair. You should still have some hair left. Yes, I did cut the hair directly off of the weft. For this length, I would recommend 2 20-inch bundles. And I say that because the length that I used was actually a little bit longer, but I did, of course, cut some of the hair. So if you're not interested in cutting off a lot of the hair, I would definitely say that 2 20-inch bundles will achieve this look. When you're feeding it in, you're gonna fold the length over. So 20 inches, half of that is about 10 inches. So you're looking at about a bob length. I did dye my hair with a demi-permanent hair color in a natural soft black. The same color that I used for my natural hair is the same color that I used for the extensions. If you're wanting it to look this dark, I highly recommend that you just dye it. Installing this hair is a lot like the Puffy twist video that I recently uploaded. Thank you so much for watching that video if you already have. So I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how I fed each piece in. It's a lot like that Puffy twist video that I mentioned earlier. These pieces have already been trimmed shorter, and I'm just feeding it in one piece at a time. I did start each section off with a braid, as you can see in the lower left-hand corner. You'll also see the short length distance between my natural twist and the extension twist. I just wanted to show you guys how I actually bring the curls to life, because when I first installed the twist, I just twisted it all the way down. Like, I didn't even define the curls. I actually did this section already. I diffused it dry and let the rest air dry. Take this section down. You're going to need a spray bottle of water. I'm going row by row. I just kind of like comb coil it. I'm coiling in the direction that I twisted. Insert the comb and then just start coiling and bring it down. And that's pretty much it. So with these twists being pretty much bob length, there is a chance that, of course, I'm possibly, wetting my natural hair, because as I showed you guys earlier, my hair is pretty much 1.5 to 2 inches away from the very bottom. It's about like right here. And so this is pretty much what's left. Don't think that I'm wetting all of my natural hair. However, there is a chance that I am, and if so, it'll be okay. Now, if you would rather not wet your natural hair at all, like if you don't want your natural hair involved, then just make your twist longer. Okay, so just want to point out, because I don't think I mentioned it, I did not use any product whatsoever to help aid in like defining these curls. This is why I love working with this hair, whether it be these twists the U-part wigs that I talk so much about on Instagram, on this channel, and in my salon studio with clients. Like, this is why I love working with this hair, because the hair quality is unmatched. I'm pretty much done. You can see that like the ends are wet. Now is when I'm gonna go in with some product. I am going in with a mousse kind of product. This isn't particularly like my go-to or anything. Medium heat and medium airflow. I really love the look of starter locks, and I find that with this style it just reminds me of starter locks so much. Locks that start off with 2-strand twists. I absolutely love the way that looks. If you love this video, if you love this style, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another video. This style is perfect for maintaining a healthy hair care regimen, especially with an active lifestyle. If you want more of an in-depth guide for healthier natural hair, I highly encourage you to check out the Ultimate Guidebook and my 3-month program, The Ultimate Regimen. Both the ebook and the 3-month regimen will be in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this style at home. If you guys have any questions or if I left anything out, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys try this style because you're going to see for yourself the ease of it all. I really feel like you're gonna love this one. Let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. And of course, I'll see you in another video. Bye.